Hey, I'm Brody from the Young Makers, and today I'm going to be making this super simple caddy using Vectric Aspire and the new Avid CNC. This is going to keep me organized, so I always know where the E-stop button is and the probe. I'm going to start off by rough cutting this piece of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood on the table saw, and then I can affix it to the table of the Avid. I designed my project in Vectric Aspire, and to see the size, I just click this button, which is for job setup, and the width is 5 inches and the height is 8.5 inches, so I can cut my piece to about like 7 by 10. What's cool about the touch plate on the Avid CNC is that it touches off in all 3 axes. And so what it does in the X and Y axes, it touches off, and then I hit go to work 0, 0, and that will move the bit exactly over this corner. And then this is my origin. Now that the pockets are cut, I can run my 3D roughing toolpath with the same 1/4 inch end mill for the sort of semicircles that are cut out so that the cables have room to move. Now I can switch over to a 1/4 inch ball bit, and I can do my finishing pass, which will smooth it out. A bit up. I finished the caddy and the E-stop and probe fit very well, so now I'm going to put some double stick tape on the back so I can stick it to the table. This was a super easy project where I got some good practice in Vectric Aspire and using the new Avid CNC. And it's also going to be super useful to keep me organized, so I always know where the probe and E-stop button is.